Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
A lightning rod converts one lightning strike into one battery pack for your farm. Place rods outdoors on clear tiles with no obstruction for reliable strikes. Lightning strikes only happen during thunderstorms and sometimes in summer and fall weather. Each lightning rod produces one battery pack per strike when struck by lightning during a storm. Battery packs are used for crafting, sprinklers, and community center bundles in the game. Lightning rods need no power and require no maintenance after placement on your farm. Place lightning rods on open ground away from trees and placed objects for best results. Ensure there is at least one clear tile around a rod so lightning can strike it directly. Lightning rods only produce battery packs during storms, so timing matters for efficient collection. Place multiple rods across your farm to increase total battery packs gathered in a single storm. Monitor the weather forecast inside the game to prepare multiple rods before upcoming thunderstorms. Spread rods across areas where, after a storm, walk to each lightning rod and pick up any produced battery packs from the ground. Each lightning rod yields one battery pack per strike automatically when it is hit by lightning. Store or stockpile battery packs in chests until you need them for crafting or completing bundles. Use battery packs in quality sprinklers and advanced crafting recipes that require electrical components. Keep an organized chest near your crafting area to speed up production and crafting of advanced equipment. Rotate and replace rods as you expand your farm to keep production optimized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.